We are losing control of the situation. Shiba Inus are developing at a dizzying rate. Everyone in the analyst community is really excited. Everyone in the cryptocurrency industry is doing something remarkable. Something similar hasn't happened for quite some time. This Shiba Inu teammate isn't there by accident. It further demonstrates how absurd the present climate is. However, what is really taking place? And how is it related to Donald Trump? Allow me to clarify. Important notice. Today, a Shiba Inu's unusual pump has made news. The 24-hour price chart displayed gains of more than 20% at one time. Quite a remarkable upsurge. Because of the unprecedented efforts of whales in this ecosystem, this may prove to be a watershed event for Shiba Inu. In a single day, Shiba Inu whales transferred an unprecedented 12 trillion tokens, according to statistics from the crypto analytics platform, into the block. In the span of just one day, whale activity increased by 41%. It is possible that these massive creatures are the ones controlling the speed, more than 522 high value. Shiba Inu deals have closed in the last 24 hours with a combined value of over $100,000. Something major is happening, and it's sending a powerful signal. The setting only adds to the amazement. The entire crypto market was pounded hard. Yesterday, many people were shocked and worried since Shiba Inus were among the most severely affected. There was widespread skepticism that the token could make a quick comeback. While the majority of the market is gradually recovering, Shiba Inu has pulled an unexpected stunt. We are witnessing an abrupt and startling price increase rather than a slow recovery. However, I must ask, was this really unexpected? There's more happening in the background though, but wait, there's more to the tale than meets the eye. But first, let's start at the beginning. Many people were wondering what the implications of yesterday's complete crypto market fall were. An ex-user whose post struck a chord with many gained notice for their perspective. Things were going at a breakneck pace, so this pullback has probably only bought more time for the bull run to continue. It would be more prudent to restart now rather than launch into space and sneak a peek at the first quarter, in my view. The endpoint remains the same, the only change is the time. This explanation seemed to make a lot of sense when I first looked at it. Everything seemed to be happening at a breakneck pace. It looked like the market needed a break before resuming its ascent, so a reset felt like the next natural step. And now for the catch. Actually, this only shows part of the story. This unexpected turn of events is being driven by something else, and now things start to get intriguing. An intriguing graph that compares the success of altcoins in 2020 and 2024 was shared by a Twitter user. Could you tell me the pattern? Almost the same. At the exact same moment on both occasions, the market fell by 13%. They commented, "This is why crypto is bouncing now underneath the graph." The overall market capitalization fell in the same manner in 2020. There will be no turning back the train once we leave this area. Furthermore, this finding alters the course of events completely. It casts doubt on the widely held belief that yesterday's decline was merely a resetting mechanism for the bull run. Rather, it alludes to a much larger pattern, a cyclical one that keeps happening. This is more than just a recovery if the trend from 2020 is actually repeating itself. The entire market might be about to experience a huge breakthrough if this happens. All of a sudden, the Shiba Inu spectacular pump doesn't appear to be so arbitrary, does it? This pattern may hold the answer to why things are changing so rapidly. However, this story is far from over, so let's not stop exploring and study relating the current situation to a pivotal period in December 2020 was submitted by one user to provide more context. Following a tremendous surge in October and November, Bitcoin had a precipitous 12% decline. Even though Bitcoin took a tumble, it bounced back and even increased in value by more than 130% in a matter of weeks. And now we are in the present day. Bitcoin recently had a comparable decline of about 13% after an extraordinary rally in Q4. The larger the downturn, the more likely it is that the market will experience the next wave of expansion. The story takes a whole new turn when seen from this angle. These dips may not be indicating the conclusion of the bull market, but rather the beginning of something even larger. Can we finally let our guard down? Lucy, a Shiba Inu teammate, posted her sentiments on Twitter stating, "My only problem is that I need fiat," indicating how fierce the market condition has grown. Hey, I'm looking to make a purchase. What this tweet reveals about the present climate of the crypto space and Shiba Inus in particular is profound. The current positive feeling is borne out by the fact that a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community is keen to purchase additional. Not only are retail investors becoming enthused, but so are others. Even those with vested interests in the project are recognizing enormous potential and hoping to jump on board while prices are low. Contagious as it is, this level of excitement is indicative of a cresting tide of interest in Shiba Inu in the cryptocurrency market. The next thing to consider is how much further we can go with this current momentum. Amidst the market meltdown, the new disclosure that someone major is buying the dip startled everyone in the crypto space. According to one former user, Donald Trump is purchasing the dip. The neighborhood went ballistic at this report. It came to light that a Trump-affiliated entity called the World Liberty Finance Treasury had bought a whopping $2.5 million worth of Ethereum. Everyone took note when they heard that a prominent individual like Donald Trump is becoming involved with cryptocurrency. However, things do not stop becoming weirder. Mark Yusko, a hedge fund manager and American investor, has made headlines for claiming that Donald Trump is purchasing a large quantity of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Hedera, and XRP. Trump isn't merely testing the waters with cryptocurrency, claims Yusko. In an effort to spread his investing risk, he may soon amass a diverse portfolio of digital assets. Many are now asking what this means for the future of cryptocurrency and how much farther his involvement could go. The iceberg is far larger than this, though. Adding insult to injury, it was recently revealed that the US government had transferred an astounding 54 billion Shiba Inu tokens to an alternative wallet. All of this is making the situation feel even more unbelievable, especially because Donald Trump is scheduled to re-enter the office in less than a month. There has never been an electric mood in crypto, and the market is booming. The government's huge Shiba Inu relocation, Trump's alleged crypto accumulation, and the enormous Ethereum purchase, when combined, they create an unprecedented level of excitement. The crypto world feels like it's on the brink of something monumental, as if the stars are aligning in ways nobody could have predicted. The scenario has also sent analysts into a frenzy. One leading analyst is projecting that Shiba Inu might aim for a staggering 235% jump to reach a new annual peak as the cryptocurrency market recovers from yesterday's sharp decline. Just so you know, yesterday Bitcoin fell more than 10% in 2 days, causing crypto aficionados to go on to high alert. Shiba Inu tested its key support level as a result of this domino effect, which set off a bleeding trend in the altcoin market. The Shiba Inu, however, has proven to be incredibly resilient. It made a remarkable recovery, trading higher this morning after falling 28% overnight. Here is where a prominent market analyst, Dollarsmaker, thinks Shiba Inu can take their popularity to the next level. A recent commentary of his brought up the idea of initiating a long position at the price lows beginning on December 20th. His price objectives for the coin were as follows. First, a 92% increase, second, a 163% rise, and last, a 235% spike, which would have been a new high for the year. At the same time, there are other experts who are certain the Shiba Inu token, according to Clay DeClooney, is going to reach new heights soon because of the good momentum surrounding it. He anticipates price appreciation as a result of sustained building at support levels. Shiba Inu could continue its ascent, according to Puyan Trade FX, which predicts that it could break through a trend line that has been in place for several years and aim for a 100% increase. Taken as a whole, the enormous purchasing activity, the unexpected rebound from the market meltdown, and the firm forecasts from leading analysts all point to an extremely intriguing future for Shiba Inu and the broader cryptocurrency market. The market hasn't been this interesting in a long, and with all these changes, it's clear that we need to pay attention. Things are heating up, and the next move might have far-reaching consequences.